Get noticed in this 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.